Have you ever wondered what it truly means to be financially free? Let's dive into that elusive concept, one often misunderstood and mistaken for simply being wealthy. But it's so much more than that. Financial freedom isn't about cruising on a yacht, sipping champagne, or living in a mansion. It's not about an abundance of money, but rather about having enough. Enough to cover life's necessities, from the monthly bills to the annual vacation and the unpredictable emergencies in between. Enough to indulge in the things that bring joy and fulfillment, be it that painting class you've always wanted to take, a weekend getaway, or simply a good book. Now you might be wondering, isn't that what being rich is all about? Well, not quite. Being rich is about having a lot of money. Financial freedom, on the other hand, is about having your money work for you. It's about creating streams of income that flow even when you're not actively working. That's where the concept of passive income comes in. Passive income is the secret sauce of financial freedom. It's the income you earn without having to trade your time for it, day in and day out. It could be from investments, a side business, or even royalties from a book you wrote years ago. It's the income that keeps coming, no matter where you are or what you're doing. It's the income that gives you the freedom to spend your time as you please, without worrying about the next paycheck. So financial freedom is about more than just having money. It's about having control over your time and your life. It's about having the security to handle life's ups and downs. It's about having the freedom to pursue your passions and live life on your own terms. So the question now is, what does it take to achieve financial freedom? Achieving financial freedom is no easy feat. It requires planning, discipline, and a good understanding of personal finance. Imagine setting out on a cross-country road trip without a map, a GPS, or even a clear destination in mind. Sounds a bit daunting, doesn't it? That's exactly what trying to achieve financial freedom without clear financial goals can feel like. Setting clear, achievable financial goals is the first step on this journey. But it's not enough to just set goals. You need to create a budget that aligns with these goals. Think of your budget as the roadmap for your financial journey. It helps you navigate your expenses and savings, ensuring you stay on course towards your financial goals. Without a budget, it's easy to lose track of your spending and veer off course. Now let's talk about debt. Debt can be a major roadblock on your path to financial freedom. It can eat away at your income, leaving little room for savings or investments. Managing your debt effectively can clear the path for your journey towards financial freedom. This might involve consolidating your debt, negotiating lower interest rates, or creating a repayment plan that works for you. And of course, let's not forget about investing wisely. Investing can be a powerful tool to grow your wealth and accelerate your journey towards financial freedom. But remember, investing isn't about quick wins or getting rich overnight. It's about making smart, informed decisions that align with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Lastly, we must highlight the role of financial literacy. Understanding the basics of personal finance can empower you to make informed decisions about your money. It can help you navigate the complexities of investing, manage your debt effectively, and stay on track with your budget and financial goals. Remember, the journey to financial freedom isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It requires patience, perseverance, and a good understanding of personal finance. But with the right tools and mindset, you can navigate this path successfully. The sense of control and independence that comes with financial freedom is well worth the journey. Investing, when done wisely, can be one of the most effective paths to financial freedom. This might sound like a bold statement, but let's dive deeper into the world of investing to understand why this is true. So what exactly is investing? In the simplest terms, investing means putting your money to work for you. It's a strategy of making purchases today that will provide you with potential returns in the future. And the beauty of investing is that it can take many forms. One popular form of investing is in the stock market. Buying shares of a company essentially makes you a part owner of that business. As the company grows and becomes more profitable, so does the value of your shares. But remember, the stock market can be volatile, and there's always a level of risk involved. That's why a key principle of investing is diversification. which means spreading your investments across a variety of assets to minimize risk. Bonds, on the other hand, are a bit like loans. When you buy a bond, you're lending your money to an entity, such as a corporation or government, for a set period. In return, they agree to pay you interest over that time and to return the original amount at the end of the period. Then there's real estate investment. This involves purchasing property with the expectation that its value will increase over time. Real estate can provide a steady income stream through rental properties and can also offer potential tax benefits. But perhaps the most powerful aspect of investing is the concept of compound interest. This is when the interest you earn on your investment begins to earn interest itself. Over time, this can lead to exponential growth of your wealth. So you see, investing isn't about gambling your money or chasing the next big thing. It's about understanding the different types of investments, managing risk through diversification, and harnessing the power of compound interest. Investing isn't about getting rich quick, it's about growing your wealth over time. And with patience and wisdom, it can indeed lead you on the path to financial freedom. Imagine earning money while you sleep. That's the power of passive income. Now let's dive into the concept of passive income. It's a term you've likely heard before, and it's as tantalizing as it sounds. Passive income is earnings derived from a rental property, limited partnership, or other enterprise in which a person is not actively involved. In simpler terms, it's money you earn with little to no effort on your part once the initial work is done. But why is passive income so important? Well, it plays a crucial role in achieving financial freedom. Think about this. If your expenses are covered by income you're not actively working for, then your time is truly your own. You're free to pursue what you love, spend time with those who matter, or even pick up a new hobby. Let's look at different sources of passive income. One of the most common is rental income. If you own a property and rent it out, the rent you receive becomes a steady stream of income. You're making money without having to trade your time for it. Another source is dividend income from investing in stocks. When you own shares in a company, you may receive a portion of their profits in the form of dividends. It's like having a tiny slice of a business that pays you regularly. A side business can also generate passive income. For instance, you could create a blog, write an ebook, or develop a mobile app. Once these are set up and running, they can generate income with minimal ongoing effort. Remember though, while passive income may seem easy, the initial setup requires investment, either of time, money, or both. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme, but a strategic move towards financial independence. So, if you're dreaming of financial freedom, consider the power of passive income. It's not just about having more money, but about having more control over your time and life. Passive income can provide the financial cushion needed to take the leap into financial freedom. The journey to financial freedom is not as glamorous as it may seem. This statement might shock you, but it's the reality. It's not all sunshine and rainbows. It's hard work, sacrifice, and a whole lot of discipline. Imagine for a moment you've decided to run a marathon. You wouldn't just wake up one day, lace up your shoes, and start running, would you? No, you'd train, you'd prepare, and you'd understand that it's going to be a long, grueling process. The same concept applies to achieving financial freedom. You're going to have to make sacrifices, and they won't always be easy. Maybe it's that daily gourmet coffee you love so much, or perhaps it's those yearly vacations to exotic locales. These are the luxuries that you might have to give up, at least for a while, on your journey to financial freedom. And then there's the discipline. This isn't a sprint, it's a marathon. It's about creating a budget and sticking to it, month after month, year after year. It's about making smart financial decisions, even when they're not the most exciting or fun. It's about understanding that every dollar you save or invest is a step closer to your goal. But perhaps the most important factor in achieving financial freedom is persistence. There will be setbacks, there will be obstacles, and there will be times when you question if it's all worth it. In these moments, it's crucial to remember why you started this journey in the first place. It's not just about the money, it's about the freedom and security that comes with it. So yes, the journey to financial freedom can be tough. It's not a path lined with gold, but rather one paved with persistence, patience, and discipline. But the rewards at the end of this path, they're worth every single sacrifice you've made along the way. Financial freedom is achievable, but it requires a well-planned strategy, dedication, and the courage to stay the course. It's a journey worth embarking on, and you have what it takes to reach the finish line.